Hello, so today I'm going to teach you how to solve a system of equations by eliminating. First, I will do it by adding. So the question says 3x plus 4y equals 6 and plus 5x minus 4y equals 10. So first what I'll do is I try to eliminate x or y, but I prefer doing the x first. So 3x plus 5x equals 8x, and positive 4y minus negative 4y equals 0. So I don't have to write it here because it's 0. Equals 6 plus 10, which is 16. So now I would have to divide 8 by each side. So 16 divided by 8. So 16 divided by 8 is 2. So the x equals to 2. Found the x. So in order to find the y, we would have to choose any of these. I'll prefer choosing the first one since it has positive numbers. So now you have to do 3 times 2 plus 4y equals to 6. So 3 times 2 equals 6. Plus 4y equals to 6. So now I would have to move the 6 to the other side. So 6 minus 6 equals 0. So 4y divided by 4. We have to eliminate the y here. So 0 divided by 4 equals 0. So the answer would be, so the y is 0. So the answer is x equals 2 and y equals to 0. So now let's do the next question. Now we're using subtraction to eliminate. So the question says 10x plus 8y equals 10 minus 5x minus 8y equals 15. So 10x minus 5x equals 5x minus 0, because positive 8y minus negative 8y equals 0. So we have to write that equals 10 plus 15. We are adding those because there's no negative numbers here, both are positive. So 10 plus 15 equals 25. So 25 divided by 5 equals 5. So the x equals 5. Now we have found the x. So now we are going to find, we have to find the y. So I prefer choosing the first number. We could choose any, but I would prefer choosing the first because since it has positive numbers. So 10 times 5. We have to replace the x with the number we found, which is 5. So 10 times 5 plus 8y equals 10. So 10 times 5 equals 50 plus 8y equals 10. So we have to move the 50. We have to move the positive 50 to the other side, so that it has same terms in each side. So the 50 becomes negative 50. So 10 times minus 50 equals negative 40. So negative 40, we have to cut the y here in order to divide. So negative 40 divided by 8 equals y. So y equals negative 5, because negative 5 times 8 equals negative 40. So y is negative 5. So the final answer will look like x equals 5 and y equals -5. This is the answer. So now we're going to use multiplication in the third question with addition. So the question says 2x plus 2y equals 20 plus 3x minus 1y equals 10. So in order to eliminate the y's, we cannot, because 2y minus 1y equals just 1y. So we won't be able to eliminate. So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply 2 on 2 in this one, in each side, times 2 times 2 and times. So 3x times 2 equals 6x, and 2 times 1y equals 2y equals 20, because 10 times 2 is 20. So now we have to add them, 6x plus 2x. So now this is this one. So 2x plus 6x equals 8x, and positive 2y minus negative 2y equals 0. So we have to write that. And so 20 plus positive 20 equals 40. So divided by 8, divided by 8. So 40 divided by 8 equals 5. So x equals to 5. And now we have to find the y. In order to do that, we would have to choose any of these. I would prefer choosing the first one. So 2x times 5. We have to replace the x with 5, the one we found here. So 2 times 5 plus 2y equals 20. So 2 times 5 equals 10 plus 2y equals 20. So when we move the positive 10 to the other side, it will become negative 10. So 20 minus 10, 2y. So 20 minus 10 equals 10. Now we have to divide 10 divided by 2 and cut the y. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So the y equals to 5 as well. So the final answer will look like 5 and 5.